Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 12 and 13. Arjuna said, "You are the Supreme Brahman, the Supreme Abode, the Supreme Purifier, Eternal Divine Purusha, the God of all gods, unborn, omnipresent."
Chapter 10, Shloka 12. Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan purusham shashvatam divyam adidevam ajam vibhum.
All the rishis have thus declared you as also the Devarishi Narad, so also Asita, Devala and Vyasa. And now the same you yourself say to me.
Chapter 10, Shloka 13. Ahustvam rushayas sarve devarshir naradastata asito devalo vyasah swayam chaiva bravishime.
Chapter 10, Shloka 12 and 13. Having heard thus both the Vibhuti and the Yoga of the Lord described so elaborately, Arjuna states, there are three similar statements which Arjuna has come across. A. From the philosophical Vedic textbooks. B. From the latter-day ancient seers. And C. Now from Lord Krishna himself, which have confused him. Arjuna acknowledged and recognized these phrases indicating the Lord only as empty and purposeless words, though they came from accepted great teachers. He is surprised and confused how Lord Krishna, his contemporary mortal, be himself the infinite, the supreme, the birthless, and the all-pervading. Is Krishna the physical structure seen by the physical eyes, or the self, the infinite, the supreme, the birthless, and the all-pervading, which he has been declaring himself throughout the Gita? This is the Pandava prince's wonderment and confusion. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.